Wyatt, are you watching Daddy? Oh, he's okay.
Come get this booty changed. Yeah, you got poops in there, I know. Come on. Thank you. Keep coming. Close. Pretty close. Alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we've done the whole morning thing already. We had some breakfast, coffee, played with the baby. He's down for a nap now. As you can see, there's tons of snow, so we're gonna take Wyatt out in his snowsuit and on his new sled, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. So yeah, just wanted to do a little check-in and continue on with the day. Justin thought he broke this. I fixed it. When our Keurig breaks, I really want to get an Nescafe, and Justin keeps breaking it and I keep fixing it, and they should stop because I want an Nescafe. Is that what it is? Nescafe? What is it? Who's that guy? Clooney and DeVito. I've just been sitting there watching Netflix and I forgot my coffee in the kitchen. What'd you say?
So what happened to this?
I don't know. Somebody's awake. Jack. that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? You ready to go outside? You wanna go in the snow? Come on, buddy. Not watching where we're going. You in the snow? Oh.
Looks like you were eating it.
He was eating it. We had a wood stacking date last night. Cute, eh? back from inside, just harassing the cats. Don't bite him. We don't bite.
He takes a lot.
This cat, yeah, he's such a good cat. He can take a lot. Oh, Wyatt.
Gentle. He's an old fella.
You enjoyed that cute little snippet of Wyatt in the snow. I couldn't get over how excited he was to be there. I just wanted to give a little bit of a life update and why you're not seeing a self-care Sunday this weekend. This week was probably the most stressful thing that has ever happened to me. In the middle of the week, I think it was Tuesday, we lost water. It dropped so low here in Canada that our pipes froze. That was really difficult, just figuring out how to like basically live without water. I was basically like glamping for the week, well, for the 24 hours. So the water kicks back on and our toilet is like completely messed up. We have one of those septic toilets, so it's the Snowfall, so it actually needs power. And I didn't realize, but like we had a heater going to try to thaw out the pipes. I had plugged in the kettle to make Wyatt's food, and then I shorted everything, so the toilet wasn't working. Needless to say, we didn't realize what was going on, so we messed up the toilet even more. Justin ended up fixing it this weekend, but I usually film my self-care Sundays on Thursdays, and I couldn't because of everything that was going on. And then I got super upset because I wasn't going to be able to post, and I was really stressing out. So finally I just decided, you know what, it's not worth it. As much as I really love doing these YouTube like videos and getting them up for you and commenting with you, and just like I love everything about it, it was stressing me out to the point where it was affecting everything in my life. I actually like cried. But I'm heading to my mom's house now. I'm doing my laundry. And then I'm gonna head home and just hang out with Wyatt and Justin, enjoy the last of our weekend before he goes back to work. He's going back to days, so it's gonna be really fun. I won't be doing like solo night routines anymore, so that's pretty sweet. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you stuck around through my rant, like, thank you. I really appreciate all the support that I get from my subscribers. You guys mean so much to me. If you enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed seeing Wyatt in the snow and how cute that was, give this a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.